Hi everyone, Vadim with Teamvilensky. Wanted to welcome you to 57 Landwood Avenue, located at Thornhill Woods. This is a beautiful semi-detached that you honestly can't miss out. There is an open house today, 2 to 4, but if you can't make it, let me make it this video so you will have a better understanding of the home and how nice it is. So welcome home. As soon as you walk in, there is a beautiful staircase leading to the upstairs. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and laundry upstairs as well. On the right, there's a powder room with a direct door to the garage. Check it out. Beautiful. Open concept, hardwood throughout. Beautiful kitchen. The best part is right here. This is the money shot. Imagine coming home after a long day at work, having a glass of wine right there. Can't ask for more. So we're here today, 2 to 4, but it's such a beautiful day that most likely you're at the lake. So this video is for you. 57 Landwood Avenue, located at Dufferin and Autumn Hill. See you there.